Hello, and welcome. In today's video, we're going to dive into the 10 best SEO tools to rank number 1 on Google in 2024. These tools will help you optimize your website, increase traffic, and ultimately improve your search engine rankings. And the best part? Most of these tools are free. So, let's get started. 1. Google Analytics. Our first tool is Google Analytics. This free tool from Google helps you track and analyze your website traffic. It provides insights into where your visitors are coming from, which pages are most popular, and how long they stay on your site. By understanding these metrics, you can make informed decisions to improve your SEO strategy. 2. Google Search Console. Next up is Google Search Console. This tool allows you to monitor your website's presence in Google search results. You can see which keywords bring traffic to your site, check for any crawl errors, and submit sitemaps for better indexing. It's an essential tool for maintaining your site's health in the eyes of Google. 3. SEMrush. Third on our list is SEMrush. Although it offers premium features, SEMrush has a free version that's incredibly useful. It provides keyword research, competitor analysis, and SEO audits. This tool helps you discover new opportunities to rank higher in search results. 4. Ahrefs Webmaster Tools. Ahrefs Webmaster Tools is another excellent option. The free version offers comprehensive site audits, backlink analysis, and keyword tracking. It's particularly useful for understanding your site's backlink profile and finding new link building opportunities. 5. Ubersuggest. Ubersuggest, created by Neil Patel, is a powerful free tool for keyword research. It provides keyword suggestions, search volume data, and competitive analysis. With Ubersuggest, you can find profitable keywords to target and outrank your competitors. 6. Moz Link Explorer. Moz Link Explorer offers a free version that helps you analyze your backlinks. It provides detailed information on your link profile, identifies spammy links, and discovers new link building opportunities. It's a great tool for improving your site's authority. 7. Yoast SEO. For WordPress users, Yoast SEO is a must-have plugin. The free version of Yoast SEO helps you optimize your content for search engines. It provides real-time analysis of your on-page SEO, readability, and offers suggestions for improvement. 8. Screaming Frog SEO Spider. The Screaming Frog SEO Spider is a desktop program that crawls your website, identifying SEO issues. The free version allows you to crawl up to 500 URLs, making it perfect for small to medium-sized sites. It helps you find broken links, duplicate content, and other SEO issues. 9. Answer the Public. Answer the Public is a unique tool that provides insights into what questions people are asking online. By entering a keyword, you can see a visualization of questions and phrases related to that topic. It's great for finding content ideas and understanding user intent. 10. GTmetrix. Finally, we have GTmetrix. This tool analyzes your website's speed and performance. It provides detailed reports on how to improve your site's load times, which is crucial for both user experience and SEO.